about being a bad boy and learning from a bad girl. No. Are you a bad girl?
I don't know. I think everyone's been a little bit of a bad girl, no? तुम हमेशा बात करते हो about being a good person, about positivity, about being like the, you know, the sweet good guy. But girls always tend to fall for the bad boys. For the bad boys.
Okay.
So तुम्हारे लिए कितना problematic रहा है this situation?
For me,
Yeah.
it's not that problematic. See, this now is a nakab. Like it's not all of it.
Yeah, okay.
There
so
is
they don't know.
Yeah, this is my on-screen version.
Okay.
But actually behind the scenes there's a bad boy angle.
So we have to see that, huh? On your show.
You can't get 2 lakh teammates if you're not a bit of a bad boy.
Acha. Guys, he's making some like hardcore like statements on the show, huh? So usually हम देखते हैं that in content there's this huge gender divide. So अगर fitness पे content है तो men are doing it, अगर beauty पे है तो women are doing it. So what do you have to say about this, this gender bifurcation?
I feel कि ये situation change हो रही है. I feel कि now gradually we're seeing people do all forms of content. You have male makeup creators and you have women weight training creators.
Right.
So it's changing.
Okay.
I also feel gender roles are changing a lot.
Yeah.
With Gen Zs,
Yes.
like kids born after 1998, they live in a very different world.
They do, absolutely.
So it's changing. It used to be this way.
It used to be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's forcing a lot of old school content creators to also change heavily.
Which is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's all about inclusivity now.
100%. I feel guys should use makeup. Like for example.
I mean, up to them, absolutely.
Yeah.
It's what works for them, right?
Yeah, and girls should be serious about their weight training.
Fab. I love weight training. So
Reinvention, number 1. Number 2, not being vanilla. You can't just be a good boy. I used to be that until my heart got broken.
Okay.
And then that turned me into a bad boy. But that bad boyness helped the content a lot. You need to talk about edgy stuff. You need to talk about things that play with people's heads.
Yeah, that matters. That people are scared to talk about.
Like, who likes a boring good boy all the time? Or a good girl?
Yeah, exactly.
That's why Coffee with Karan has taken off so much, honestly.
Because it's chatpata, right? And it's fun.
Everyone likes that tikha vibe in content. And the third one I'd probably say is, again, just being real. At some point with content, your truth comes out. And this applies to anyone, including cricketers, including film stars who are on social media today. Like you said, you're being real. That's why I think it plays in your favor.
Yeah.
But either you play it real or you're forced to show your reality. So you play it real from the start.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Which you've done.
Yeah. And you end up growing a lot. Like through that.
Exactly. So जैसे आपको पता है कि हर talk show host, the interview sometimes doesn't really go as planned. And you've done so many interviews. So which celebrity, according to you, turned out to be really boring and which one was really interesting and vice versa?
Okay. Wow. Can I really be that bad boy on like this?
Come
chat?
on now, you have to.
Okay.
Tikhapan to you said, na, everyone likes.
Only for Kareena. No, I'll just be bad boy either way. Can I give you a parallel story? Non-celebrity?
It says celebrity. My question was celebrity.
Okay. The celebrity who I couldn't bring things out of, she wasn't bad, okay? But it was just a very difficult conversation for me. And I feel this is the case for all the legends of any industry.
Yeah.
I break the ice with people.
Right.
And sometimes ice gets broken like that. And sometimes ice takes like an hour and a half to break.
Okay.
So I couldn't break the ice with only Kajol.
Okay.
Yeah. But I don't. It's okay. I think she'll come again, and then we'll have a crazy good podcast.
Yeah. Okay. And so, but who has really turned out to be really interesting?
It's not happened yet. But you'd want to know who? Kareena Kapoor. At some point.
At some point, huh?
If Kareena Kapoor agrees, then instead of giving these quick answers, we could do like a nice 2-hour chat about life.
About life. Okay.
About being a bad boy and learning from a bad girl. No. Are you a bad girl?
I don't know. I think everyone's been a little bit of a bad girl, no?
Yeah.
What do you think? I'm sure, no?
To be honest,
I'm not all that good as you think.
See, I've seen your old Coffee with Karan episodes where you used to make really straightforward statements.
I've learned with age.
No. I really love that version of you, this version of you.
You're not going to get that version because now I'm a changed person.
Well, podcasts are a different environment.
We'll see.
Okay.